I'm not going to be that interesting in it. I just sit here.
I can't really get her head on you.
That's good. Just get her. Oh, it's delicious.
How's that
So
book tasting?
delicious.
There's your cousin, Aunt Erin.
Cousin Aunt Erin.
However it comes out.
Tap, 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 tap. Do you want me to leave her now?
Give it away.
I know, I just took your favorite toy.
She's like, I'll be reading that now. Thank you very much. Read it with my mouth. Hey, Neve. Neve. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da.